Hi, we're back again, and this time we're trying Lemon Ups. What is the brand new cookie in stock?
So something special about Lemon Ups is they have inspiring messages to lift your spirits.
And they also are really big.
And Victoria says they're really big. Okay, read what that one says. So these cookies, it's not a sandwich each. So in the pack that we got 2 cookies of each of the sayings. The sayings are, I am bold, I am creative, I'm a go-getter, I'm a risk taker, I'm an innovator, and I am a leader.
Hey, I'm a leader is my color pink.
Yeah.
Oh, let's try the cookie.
So Lemon Ups say that they're crispy lemon cookies baked with inspiring messages to lift your spirit.
That is super good. Okay. If you love frosting, she eats the bottom of it.
Okay, so Victoria's saying there's a little bit of frosting on the bottom.
Just yummy. And it's really delicious.
What do you think of the flavor?
Flavor is lemony.
Lemony?
Yeah.
So would you recommend Lemon Ups?
Second favorite.
Second favorite. So if you would like to try the new Girl Scout cookie Lemon Ups, please let us know. We hope you enjoy
Out of Finland.
and try new things.
Bye.